Get ready for the most expected dictation for SSC skill test on drone technology. 3, 2, 1, start. Drone technology is rapidly growing in popularity and has broken down hard traditional barriers across industries. Over the years, drones have become central to the functioning of various businesses and government organizations. From scanning an inaccessible location or military base to monitoring an area or multiple areas, drones are proving to be extremely beneficial. Drones are controlled either by a pilot on the ground or with the help of technology. This radio-focused toy can be as small as a helicopter or as big as a global falcon. Drones are playing a vital role in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic by supporting activities carried out by police, healthcare, and municipal authorities in monitoring and enforcing lockdowns, surveying and mapping, spraying disinfectants, etc. Although drones are originally created for military purposes, drones have seen rapid development and progress. Today, this drone technology has evolved into various forms and is widely used in defense, commercial aerial surveillance, journalism, crowd management, e-commerce, and search and rescue operations. There are some disadvantages of drones, like criminals and extremists can commit major crimes through drones, such as dropping explosives in a safe area, transporting illegal goods inside the prison, attacking with biological weapons, etc. If the drones is found by antisocial elements, then they can not only spy through it but can also attack if needed. A drone is a machine due to which it can be easily hacked like other machines. A hacker can attack its control system and damage it, as well as get confidential information. The International Air Transport Association has organized drones as a threat to airspace and called for wider consultations to ensure its associated safety. Given the complex security challenges facing India, the role of UAVs in providing critical intelligence will play a vital role, not only effectively fighting wars but also in preventing cross-border terrorist attacks in India. The UAVs of the Indian Armed Forces are Nisant, Rustam, UAV Panchi, and Aura. Although many countries are working individually, jointly to develop an advanced drone industry, currently the United States, Israel, and China are the market leaders. In the agriculture sector today, farmers in different countries of the world are monitoring crops and spraying medicines through drones. Thus, it can be said that the use of drones is also being revolutionized in the field of agriculture. Drone technology is typically used in situations where manned flight is considered too risky or difficult. A typical unmanned aircraft is made of a lightweight composite material to reduce weight and increase its maneuverability. The strength of this composite material allows military drones to cruise the extreme altitudes and thus proves to be very beneficial in the defense technology of the country. In the home delivery of goods currently, companies like Google and Amazon are preparing to do home delivery of goods by drone. Amazon has also filed a patent for the deployment of drones in India. Drone technology is also being used to make the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan a success. Drones are being used to monitor open defecation near rivers and ponds in Telangana's Karimnagar. Drones are being used for relief and rescue during floods, earthquakes, etc. The pictures of the devastating earthquake that hit Nepal in April 2015 were taken by the drone. Drone technology is constantly evolving, so the drone technology of the future is currently undergoing progressive improvements. There are many benefits of using a drone all over the world. Innovators and scientific researchers are coming together to find new ways to use drones to fight COVID-19 pandemic. As innovators introduce new technologies, their commercial uses increase day by day. The government has been easing restrictions for drone usage and is supporting startups to come up with novel ideas. As drone surveys become more common, they also become more cost effective. In agriculture, they have a plethora of advantages. The drone survey allows the farmers not to keep track of their crops only but also monitor the movements of their cattle. Thermal sensor technology helps find lost animals and detect an injury or sickness. Drones can carry out this function favorably, and this adds comprehensively to the production of vegetation. Agri drones enables optimum uses of all resources such as fertilizer, water, seeds, and pesticides. The drone survey helps farmers calculate the precise land size, segment the various crops, and indulge in soil mapping. Farmers use the data captured through drones to claim crop insurance in case of any damages. They even calculate losses associated with the land while being insured. Agriculture insurance sectors use agri drones for efficient and trustworthy data. They capture the damages that have occurred for the right estimation of monetary payback to the farmers. According to experts, the predicted world population will be 9 billion by 2050. Agricultural consumption is also said to increase simultaneously by nearly 70%. Drone technology equipped with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and remote sensing features are rising in demand because of its advantages. The central government has acknowledged the importance of unmanned aerial vehicles, machine learning, and artificial intelligence with their digital sky platform online. Drone startups in India have used this opportunity to accomplish better technological capacities. As mentioned before, agricultural drone technology is undoubtedly the future of the Indian agrarian community. It can transform traditional farming methods in uncountable ways, even though this technology is more complex to be familiar with. It will yield its result in no time. Once learned, farmers must understand the entire process, determination of goals, creating an equilibrium in the drone and software utilized, and being familiar with the principles of using such technology will stand as a challenge. The farmers will inevitably need comprehensive training or partnerships with third party experts in the drone industry for the acquisition of reliable data. Drones have changed the course of obtaining data in almost every type of industry and will only deem to become bigger and better in the coming years. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।